Hello again guys, it's me White. In this video I'm going to show you another upcoming car. Sijin sent us a photo of the Ural 4320 truck. It's very similar to Drive CSX truck. The developer said the Ural 4320 truck will only cause 9,500 in-game currency. Expensive, right? To get money, just complete tasks to get money and we have in-game daily currency. Also, I forgot to say that not only one truck, 3 types of truck are ready for the next update. And that's for all. This is the end of my video. I work hard to edit this video. Please support me by liking the video. Bye.